Hey, how's it going, guys? So in one of my last videos, I ended up getting a whole bunch of copper, and someone down in the comments said that I can turn that green copper from number 2 to number 1 using vinegar. They said to use a 50-50 water and vinegar solution. I've heard that 100% vinegar works, so we're gonna do a little test here. We got some equal pieces. We'll check back in 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 2 hours. Well, it's been about 30 minutes. Here's the 50-50 solution of water and vinegar. It did take a little bit of the green off. You can see some bubbles going on, a few chunks in the vinegar in the solution. Over here, we got the 100% vinegar. It did a tremendous job getting the green gone. You can also see some particles and bubbles going on in there. We'll check back in about an hour. Alrighty guys, it's been about an hour and a half. Here's the 50-50 water vinegar mix. You can tell a little bit of the green has gone down a little bit there. Here is the 100% vinegar. There is quite a bit of blue in the water. There's still some bubbles, and most of the green is gone. Alright, we'll check back probably in about 2 hours. Well, it's been about 4.5 hours now. You can see here that most all the green is gone. That is our 50-50 water and vinegar mix. Over here on the 100% vinegar, you can definitely tell almost all the green is gone as well. I don't think diluting it with water hurts anything. It still gets the job done, but I do believe 100% will go a little bit faster, and it might even make it a tiny bit cleaner. Um, all right, guys, I'm going to keep this going for just a little bit and see if anything else changes. All right, it's been about 7 hours. Here's our 50-50 water and vinegar solution. Looks like it took the green off pretty good. I'd say it's pretty comparable to the 100% vinegar here. That did a very good job as well. You can see there's a little bit more green in the water, but they both turned out pretty decent. I'm going to go ahead and take them out and get them cleaned up, and we'll see what they look like then. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and drain the vinegar. It is reusable, so I'm going to go ahead and put it back in here. We'll start with 100% vinegar because I want to try to reclaim as much of that as I can. All right, and the 50-50. All right, here we go, guys. Maybe if I just give it a little wipe, the rest of it may come off. I mean, that's a heck of a lot better than what it was when it started, that's for darn sure. Definitely a lot cleaner. I think I'm going to try this experiment again, but I'm going to use salt. I heard mixing salt. So this is the 50-50 here. definitely worked with water, guys. So if you want to save money on vinegar, I know it's not that expensive, but save some money, cut it down a little bit. As for the 100% vinegar, it definitely did do a better job, a little bit quicker. So I'm sure if I would have left this piece in the 50-50 a little bit longer, it probably would have came out a little bit cleaner. We'll go ahead and wipe these down. Yeah, these are much better. Everything's coming off pretty good too. So yeah, for those really picky yards that don't like any green on their #1 copper, this is a nice cheap way to do it. Plus you can keep reusing the formula. Alrighty guys, here's the 100% vinegar. Definitely did a much better job. I'd be happy throwing that into my #1. Alright, and then over here in this bucket I do have baking soda and water. That is to help neutralize the acid on the copper from the vinegar. So we'll go ahead and throw that in there. We'll let that soak for a little bit, and we'll catch you in the next one, guys.